What if I told you Mazda just unveiled an SUV that could completely redefine how we see luxury crossovers? This isn't just a facelift, it's a statement. The 2026 Mazda CX-60 is where elegance, technology, and performance collide to form something breathtaking. But here's the twist. There's one detail about this new CX-60 that might just surprise even the biggest Mazda fans. Stick around, because you'll want to know what it is. All right, let's talk about what makes the 2026 Mazda CX-60 stand out, and why this might just be the most refined SUV Mazda has ever built. The front end greets you with that stunning illuminated Mazda lettering across the grille. Simple, confident, and futuristic. The signature LED strip seamlessly connects both headlights, creating a clean, symmetrical light bar that gives the CX-60 an unmistakable road presence, especially at night. The Kodo design language has evolved. Instead of chasing aggressive lines or overcomplicated creases, Mazda has gone for a sculpted calmness, smooth surfaces, elegant transitions, and a golden hue that changes tone under sunlight. It's minimalist, yet it speaks volumes. From the side, the long hood and flowing roofline give the CX-60 a rear-wheel drive stance, while the flush door handles and sharp wheel designs hint at Mazda's push toward aerodynamic sophistication. And those 21-inch black and silver turbine wheels? They look like they're slicing through the air even at a standstill. Mazda claims this design isn't just for looks. There's something hidden beneath the surface that improves both performance and efficiency. We'll get to that soon. Moving to the back, you're greeted with a full-width LED light bar that stretches elegantly across the tailgate, again highlighting the Mazda text. Below that, a clean bumper design, diffuser detailing, and the absence of visible exhaust pipes hint at Mazda's electrified direction. The CX-60 concept badge reminds us this is a forward-thinking prototype, and yet it feels production-ready, like something you could drive tomorrow. The proportions are balanced, the lines are clean, and the lighting gives it a futuristic yet timeless personality. Now step inside, and you instantly feel Mazda's craftsmanship DNA. The cabin is wrapped in warm beige leather with soft golden accents that run along the dashboard and center console. The lighting isn't harsh. It glows like sunrise light, filtering through paper shoji screens. Front and center, you get a panoramic digital dashboard that stretches almost the full width of the car. It integrates the instrument cluster, infotainment, and navigation into one seamless surface. The graphics are crisp, modern, and fluid, reflecting Mazda's philosophy of human-machine harmony. The center console features a beautifully finished drive selector, surrounded by real wood textures and brushed aluminum. Everything feels intentional and tactile. And the seats? Plush, perforated, and contoured for long-distance comfort. It's luxury, done the Mazda way. Not flashy, but deeply refined. Performance. Under the hood, rumors suggest Mazda is offering two main powertrains, a refined plug-in hybrid version with over 320 horsepower and an all-electric variant expected to join later in 2026. The plug-in hybrid system likely combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor and battery pack, offering instant torque and smooth acceleration. And here's the kicker. Mazda is fine-tuning the suspension and steering to preserve that signature Jinba Itai feeling, the sense of oneness between driver and car. So even as Mazda embraces electrification, it's determined to keep the soul of driving alive. Possibly a new rotary-based range extender for the electric model? There have been whispers. And if that's true, it could redefine Mazda's legacy all over again. Mazda has always excelled at handling, and the CX-60 continues that tradition. The rear-biased platform ensures precise balance and control through corners, while adaptive dampers and torque vectoring make it feel agile, even for an SUV of this size. On the highway, it glides effortlessly, quiet, confident, and composed. In the city, the electric motor assists with smooth, whisper-quiet takeoffs. The steering response is quick, but not twitchy, maintaining that human-centered driving experience Mazda fans love. Mazda hasn't confirmed official pricing yet, but expectations place the 2026 CX-60 around $48,000 to $55,000, depending on trim and configuration. That positions it right in line with the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Lexus NX, but with a design language and driving experience that feel uniquely Mazda. Early prototypes suggest a late 2025 reveal, with production starting early 2026. And if this concept is any indication, Mazda might just be stepping into the premium segment more confidently than ever before. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Mazda CX-60 the breakthrough SUV Mazda needed to challenge the European heavyweights? Personally, it feels like Mazda's found the perfect balance between art and engineering, something that looks good, drives beautifully, and respects your senses. If you're curious to see how Mazda's journey into electrification unfolds, you'll definitely want to stay tuned, because what's coming next might just change the brand forever. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Mazda's next-gen design, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly reviews and concept breakdowns. Next episode, we'll uncover another 2026 SUV that's quietly stealing attention from luxury brands. Any guesses which one? Drop your predictions below.